औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। 8th क्लास मैथ, टॉपिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। कल तो हमने कुछ बेसिक पढ़ा था इसके बारे में और आज हम डायरेक्टली क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स पे बात करेंगे। क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या होता है? क्वाड्रिलेटरल दो लफ्जों से बना है, एक है कॉर्ड, दूसरा है लेटरल। कॉर्ड मीन्स 4 and lateral means sides. Chord means 4 and lateral means sides. Hence, we can say a quadrilateral is a closed figure. Lies on one plane having 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. अगर हम ये लेंगे, यहाँ पे नजर रख लीजिए आप, ये क्लोज्ड फिगर है, इसके 4 लाइन सेगमेंट से बनी हुई है। ये पॉइंट जो है जहाँ पे लाइन सेगमेंट्स आपस में मिल रहे हैं, अगर हम इनका नाम भी रख सकते हैं, इट इज ए, दिस इज बी, सी एंड डी। दिस पॉइंट where these two line segments meet, this point is called vertex. It is called vertex. Here we call this A is vertex, B is vertex, C is vertex and D is vertex. Vertex is singular and in this closed figure in a quadrilateral there are 4. In plural we can call it vertices. So we can call a quadrilateral has 4 vertices. This is 4, A, B, C and D are the 4 vertices of a quadrilateral. Similarly, in this figure, this line segment AB, this line segment AD, this line segment BC and this line segment CD. These are sides of a quadrilateral. Sides of a quadrilateral. So we can call a quadrilateral has 4 sides. AB, this side, BC, this side, CD, this side, and AD, this side. Similarly, this point, this, it is called angle. The difference between these two line segments, this, it is called angle. It is also an angle. It is also an angle. It is also an angle. So we can call this angle A, or we can call it angle DAB, this angle, or we can call it angle BAD, the angle about which we are talking. It will be in middle. Here we'll write it angle A, or we can write it angle DAB, or we can write it angle BAD. Similarly, this angle B, we can write it angle ABC, or we can also write here it angle CBA. Similarly, this angle C, we can write it angle DCB, angle DCB, or we can write it angle BCD. Angle BCD. Similarly, this angle D, we can write it angle CDA, or we can write it angle ADC. So, a quadrilateral is a closed figure which has 4 vertices, which we call A, B, C, and D. 4 sides, this AB, BC, CD, AD, and 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. This is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, having 4 sides, having 4 angles, having 4 vertices. It lies on a plane surface. Plane surface. And this B, angle B and angle D, angle A and angle C, these are opposite to each other. This angle A is opposite to angle C. This angle B is opposite to angle D. When we join these opposite sides, this and this, the line which meets these 2 opposite sides, it is called a diagonal. A diagonal. So a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. This AC and BD, these are the 2 diagonals of a quadrilateral. A diagonal is a line segment which meets opposite angles of a quadrilateral. So we can say a quadrilateral is a closed figure, has 4 vertices, ABCD, 4 sides, AB, AD, BC, CD, 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D, and also 2 diagonals, AC and BD. Thanks. कल इंशाल्लाह हम इसके टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. शुक्रिया.